Our office is called Cloud9, based in Barcelona. We are a local office acting globally. We have to work in Kuwait, Qatar, Taipei, Moscow, St. Petersburg, LA, but in this partnership. That's a new way.
We're working with SSH on this residential tower of 25-story building in Benito del Gar in Kuwait City.
Given that Enrique won the World Architecture Festival Award, that opened a new frontier for Cloud9, and we were happy to be a part of that growth, to explore with them new frontiers in architecture and engineering.
We are digital architects, but paper is the place where our knowledge is transferred, stored, visualized, shared. Paper is, in fact, the thing that is really more important in our daily work.
Quality is important on Designjet T920 because our work is depending on showing to the clients how is the project will be before the project started.
I think the T1500 printer has a really good quality, especially on renderings. Deadlines are everything. If you're late, it doesn't matter if it looks good or not, you're late. The fact that you can rely on the T1500 to print faster than the other printers that we used in the past. This difference in printing time is actually time that you can use for producing. The output stacking tray is actually one of the nicest features of the T1500 because it allows you to send print and leave it there. You know that when you're gonna pick them up, they're gonna be organized one after the other. This solution of having two rolls and loaded at the same time not only avoids time on changing the roll every time that you want to print, you don't have to keep coming to the printer all the time to change it. I don't think I can go back from two rolls to a single roll printer now.
The communication agenda now is to understand, first of all, is that we are one.
It's important to have the same exact file to be discussed between the two teams, especially when you're working 5,000 kilometers away. This simplification is possible with ePrint and Share because just click print, send it to print, both in Barcelona and in Kuwait, and you both have the same.
Now with the ePrint and Share, you're sending a file directly to the printer, which saves us time.
If you need to call someone to get that file, you're wasting time. If you just can access it online, that's probably the most important thing in terms of productivity, I think. HP and ePrint and Share have helped this workflow happen faster and easier.
Printing is really one of the first steps in the new industry generation of buildings. Printing is not an output, it's the tool to build.